Hey guys, welcome to our channel that is Regrob.com, and today in this video we'll give you the actual view of commercial project that is Gaur Saundaryam High Street located in Noida Extension. So we are on the project location. It offers retail shops and office space available in different sizes. So now we are moving towards the project, and it's an under construction project. The construction work is going on in full swing. It's a two-storied commercial project and carries 50 shops on each floor. The connectivity from this place is excellent. And it is very close to Gaur chowk. So we have given you the actual view of commercial project that is Gaur Saundaryam High Street. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.